Ready? Shoshi no kun. Yo. Left hand downward strike. Right leg goes back into Zenkutsu. 1, 2. Sit back in cat stance. Scooping block. 3. 3 portions. Stand up like a flamingo onto your front leg. Second portion. Sit down in horse stance, punching back behind you. Third portion. Stand up, bring your feet forward. Toes swing in and punching forward. Kia. Roll. 4. Push to the side with your left hand going down in front stance. 5. Sweep block with your right hand sweeping down. 6. Turn, do the same type of block with your right hand to the back side, shifting your wrist at the last second. 7. Downward strike with your right hand. 8. Sit back in cat stance, scooping block. 9. We're going to go a Michael Jackson turn. Turn your heel, your front leg outward to sit in Sanshin Dachi or Hanchiatsu Dachi. Turn this heel with your hips, turning this way in that direction that you're going. Heel comes inwards to your toe. Cross strike with your left hand. Okay? Let's go back. 9. Okay? 10. Keep this hand nice and rigid. Just make the hand loose. Okay? Keep the arm rigid. Let it slide through your hand. Don't bring it up and down. Okay? Keep this left hand upward. Slide it up. As you slide it up, push your front heel outwards to reach. Slide in your back leg into a cat stance to poke down to catch some fish. Okay? 10. 11. 3 portions of this for 11, 12, and 13. Okay? 11. Bring in your left leg behind your right leg. Make an L. Point with your back hand, your left hand forward. Step forward, downward striking, keeping this L stance. Right leg, left leg, downward strike. 11. Second portion. Turn this L into a V to your right side with your front hand scoop. Third portion. Turn this V forward. Bring your left hand with you with your hips to cross strike. Let's keep doing that 3 more times. 2 more times. The last one has no cross strike. 12. L. Downward strike. V. And cross strike. Forward V. 13. Remember, no cross strike. L. Side V. 14. We're going to sit backwards with our left leg in horse stance, pushing our left hand back behind us and swing, big swing across. Okay? 15. We're going to keep walking in that direction. We're going to start with Hoshidachi, but looking forward now like we're Bruce Lee, and continue that walk. That way in horse stance, cross strike with the other side. Yo! And that's the end of Kata. Yo! Bring your front hand down. Make sure your back hand comes up to your head. Turn your stance forward slightly in a front stance, blocking in front of you, and come back to Yo. Kyotsuke, feet together. Rei, Shoshi no kun. Yo! Out. Okay? Step by step. Follow along. Ready? Kyotsuke. Ready? Shoshi no kun. Yo. Obviously it's not mirrored now. It's in my right hand, just like yours. Follow along. 1, or yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yo! Yo! Kyotsuke. Ready? Shoshi no kun. Yo! Left side, facing the left side. Combination of moves. Shoshi no kun. 1, 2, 3. Or here, excuse me. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15. Yo, yo. No count. Shoshino-kun, Yotsuki, Rig, Shoshino-kun, yo. Begin. Shoo. Shoshino-kun da Ichi, yo.